Hey guys, Antonio here with another video on How to Win Friends and Influence People by Dale Carnegie. And today we're going to be talking about how to spur other people on to success. Remember, we're talking about leadership still in this book, right? This is the last section. We're talking about leadership. And how do we get people to want to do things for us? Okay. Today we're talking about praise. Most people are willing to give condemnation, criticism right away. Say, you did this wrong, instead of focusing on what the person did right. So, the tip for today is to make sure that you focus on the praise that you can give to someone else. What happens is when you praise someone else, they end up taking that praise and it ends up being reinforced in their head. When you tell them, you did a good job with this, then the other person tends to think, okay, I did a good job with this, let me do it again. And what also happens is those bad habits that you didn't like, the ones you didn't talk about, those wither away because you're not giving them any attention, you're not giving them any focus. Now there's two ways that you can make this praise more effective. First is to make the praise specific. Okay, so your significant other goes to Dunkin' Donuts, picks up some coffee for you, and drops it off for you at work when you are tired and you know you had a bad day. That was a great thing that they did for you, right? By talking about that specific scenario of them helping you, you felt appreciated in this moment, versus saying you're just a really nice person. You see the two differences that those two have? When you say you're a really nice person, it just seems very generic, and no one really wants that. So you have to go out of your way to make it specific. And the second thing is that it must come from your heart, okay? It cannot come from somewhere else. If it comes from somewhere else, then you are not doing it properly. It needs to come from your heart, from within, okay? It needs to be true and meaningful. So guys, hope you enjoyed today's video on how to win friends and influence people. The principle for today is to praise every improvement and the slightest improvement. Be hearty in your approbation and lavish in your praise. So guys, if you enjoyed today's video, please leave me a thumbs up. Make sure to check me out on Patreon, guys. I'm accepting donations, $1 a month, much appreciated. And guys, as always, remember that a chapter a day allows for success to make way. I will catch you guys in the next one. Peace.